In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. To access wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner and manage all of those options. When you finished, you can click on the top right corner and bottom right corner right away. Then choose Set as Save Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper, and finally decide where you wish to apply it. Now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!